Hello friends, welcome back to my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today guys we are going to talk about guys how to turn off aeroplane mode in a Techno mobile. Friends, you want to turn off your aeroplane mode in a Techno mobile, so friends you can off it. And guys, now let's see how to off aeroplane mode in a Techno phone. In this video friends, I am going to show you friends. So before starting video friends, I want to tell you, if you're new in my channel, so when first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like my video. So when first of all open your phone setting to off your aeroplane mode. So friends, you can see this type of setting in your Tecno mobile. So you will have to come in guys your more connection settings. So friends, you can see more connection settings and tap here. And friends, you can see guys your airplane mode option. And guys, you can see at the right side guys this blue icon. So guys, tap here to turn off your aeroplane mode. So aeroplane mode will off. And guys, you can call you guys, you can use guys your call setting. And guys, you can use guys your mobile data. Whatever you want to use, you can use in your phone. So I hope friends you've understood how to turn off aeroplane mode in your Tecno phone. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching the video. We will meet on next video. Bye bye friends.